All right, what's going on YouTube? What's going on Facebook? This is Willie Berry with TextBot. I want to do a really quick video, guys, to show you guys the custom keyword feature that's included with the Ava system. It's a real neat way to market. Just say like if you are online marketing, if you have like several businesses with this one phone number, the one phone number that you get when you purchase Ava, you can it's so cool that you can promote multiple businesses with just one phone number, and I'm going to show you in this video with custom keywords. So if you're thinking about joining Ava, this would be a good way for you to learn how to use this feature. And if you are in TextBot already, and you may not know this, but this would be a good way for you to learn how to start incorporating this by using this if you already have it. So basically, guys, pretty much you want to go to your dashboard. You want to go to dashboard, and you want to go to Ava Basic, and you want to go to custom keywords. Okay. So just say like if you have like a health and wellness business, you can do create keyword, and then you can type in health, and then you can type in like okay, just say like if you have a phone number, you can be like if you're interested in getting more healthy and lose more weight, text the word health to your whatever your phone number is. Okay, once the user does that, you can text your response here in this box. And once they text the word health to your number, this text response is going to, automatically be sent to them on their phones, and which will, you can include your website, you can include your contact information, things like that. Or, if you want to direct them to a website, you can include your website in this response. Okay. And then once they do that, you will get an alert on your phone that you have a lead, and then you can interact, with your lead, on your own or whatever. So you can do this as many times. I don't think there's a limit. As you can see, I only have four. I hadn't really started using this feature yet. I've used it some, but I'm going to start using it more, create custom keywords and getting more leads, using this feature. So like if you can see right here, I got my custom keyword is leads, and I got welcome to Ava. If you need more leads and sales for your current online business, watch our quick presentation here and then the website. So whatever your keyword is, set your keyword up, and you can do a custom message that will be sent automatically. All of this is hands off. It will be sent automatically to your lead, and they can get your opportunity that way. And then you can interact with them by text. Text messaging is a powerful way. It's way more efficient than email. Text messaging is more of a direct way to connect with your leads and to market your opportunity. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're thinking about joining TextBot, reach out to me. I'll leave my information in the description below this video. And if you're in TextBot already, make sure that you start incorporating this feature because that's what it's included for. All right, guys. I'll talk to you guys on the next video.